Hello everyone, Ms Alicia here. I just wanted to let you all know that I miss you all so much and I cannot wait to be back in school with you again. But until then, I'm really excited to be able to share some videos with you. Today I have a collection of fossils I'm going to show you. A fossil is the remains or impression of a prehistoric plant or animal that's been preserved in petrified form as a mold, cast, and rock. So the first thing I have is a piece of petrified wood. This wood is so old it's been turned into stone. And it's really neat because when you look at it, it still looks like a piece of wood, but it is a piece of rock now. And you could still see some of the grains in it. This piece of rock is probably as old as the dinosaurs, if not even older than them. The other ones I have are some sea creature fossils. This one is called a chronoid, and it's really, really neat because you can see what this sea creature looked like before it had turned into stone. It has a lot of details on it. And when we go back to school, I'm going to bring this collection of fossils in so that you guys can have a closer look at them. The other fossils that I have are seashell fossils, and they're kind of like clams or snails. Here's one. This one is really neat because it has some lines on it, and the way we could tell what things are is by the way they look or feel like. And you can see this one still has some color left to it from what it looked like before it turned into stone, before it became a fossil. See, you could see the bottom of it. It's really neat to have something like this. The other one I have is also another type of shell. This one is really neat because on the back side it's been broken, and you can see the remains of what type of sea creature lived inside this shell at one point. Here's another prehistoric shell. Another fossil. This one's broken. It only has one part. You can see some of the shell left in it. It's still kind of turning into stone at this point. Another type of sea creature was sort of a shell, like a snail-like animal. This is called an ammonite, and this is a special stone now. And if you can look inside of it, you can see colors inside of it. Can you see the colors when you move it? Well, I bought this from the Rock and Fossil shop in Steamboat. And I bought this so that maybe someday I could turn it into a necklace. The other types of fossils are the ones that I told you that are kind of like a mold cast in rock, sort of like when you play with Play-Doh, you could push things in it and it leaves an impression. These were rocks that were held together. And when you pulled them apart, you were able to find something really neat inside. And these are some leaves that were impressed inside this rock. So these are some fossilized leaves. Here's one. You can tell this. Here's the leaf right here. You can see the shape of the leaf and the stem and the veins of it. And here's one more example of a leaf. Can you see the impression? You can see the leaf impression right here, and there's the vein, or the stem and the veins of the leaf. These are all really neat examples of fossils. Fossils come in all different shapes and sizes, and you can see them probably at museums, or if you're out and about, you could probably find some on your own too. So that is the end of my little fossil collection, and I'm going to be sending you some more videos. But until then, I hope you're having a lot of fun with your families, and we will see you again real soon. Okay, we'll talk to you later.